Welcome to my channel. Projects often fail due to a disconnect between planning and execution. Misalignment between planning and execution leads to project failure. Poor execution is not always the primary cause of project failure. This misalignment significantly impacts project managers and planners. Project plans are essential for outlining tasks and resource allocation. However, real-world projects often face unexpected challenges. Shifting tasks can disrupt the initial project timeline. Resource scarcity can hinder progress and create bottlenecks. Changing priorities may necessitate adjustments to the project scope. These factors can quickly render initial project plans obsolete. Planning occurs in controlled environments, but execution unfolds in chaotic ones. Initial plans assume stable resources and productivity. Plans also assume manageable risks and unwavering stakeholder commitment. These assumptions rarely hold true in real-world execution. The controlled versus chaotic divide poses a core problem in project management. Planning involves assumptions about resources and stakeholder commitment. Execution often reveals these assumptions to be inaccurate. The core issue is not poor planning, but inflexible planning. The environment is constantly changing during execution. Adaptability in planning is crucial for successful execution. Teams often mistakenly view planning as a one-time event, concluding after baseline approval. This perspective neglects the dynamic nature of project execution. Effective execution necessitates continuous plan adjustments. Blind adherence to the initial plan can lead to inefficiencies. Planning should be an iterative process, adapting to evolving circumstances. Project schedules are often created to look good during reviews. These schedules often fail to account for real-world limitations. This creates a disconnect between planned and actual timeline. As a result, schedules often break down once the project starts. Initial over-optimism clashes with practical execution challenges. Realistic scheduling is crucial for project success. Execution provides critical signals about project status and potential issues. These signals include delays, resource overloads, and missed handoffs. Ignoring these signals can lead to negative consequences. Pushing harder without addressing issues can result in burnout. Ultimately, ignoring execution feedback increases the risk of project failure. Successful projects use a feedback loop to link planning and execution. Planning guides execution, setting the initial direction and scope. Execution provides real-world data and insights. This data updates the planning phase, refining strategies. The feedback loop creates a dynamic and responsive project system. This iterative process ensures continuous improvement and adaptation. Initial plans set goals and timelines, providing a framework for execution. Planning informs the execution phase, guiding the project's direction. This initial guidance is crucial for starting the project effectively. Effective planning ensures the project begins on the right track. Execution updating planning involves real-time data feedback. This data includes execution details like delays encountered. Resource constraints experienced during execution are also included. This feedback is channeled back into the planning phase. This allows for necessary adjustments to the existing plan. The goal is to enable course corrections based on real-time insights. High-performing teams use detailed planning for project success. Planning involves multiple levels of detail to manage complexity. This approach allows for flexibility during the project lifecycle. Teams can adapt plans as new information becomes available. Adaptation ensures the project remains aligned with current needs. Successful project teams adapt plans to reflect significant changes. Rebaselining ensures the project plan remains relevant. It also keeps the plan aligned with current project realities. This adaptation maintains project momentum and focus. Rebaselining is key to navigating unforeseen challenges. Successful projects use real metrics to track progress effectively. These metrics offer accurate insights into the project's current status. Tracking progress this way helps identify potential issues early. This is better than just using percentage completion estimates. Planning is viewed as a dynamic, evolving system, not a rigid control mechanism. This system supports execution, adapting to changing circumstances. The approach emphasizes continuous improvement and learning. This allows for adjustments based on real-world feedback and new information. Projects often fail when initial plans are not updated. Static plans are unable to accommodate changing conditions. Adaptability is crucial for project success. Plans must evolve with new information and challenges. Lack of adaptation leads to project failure. Regular plan reviews and adjustments are essential. Reflect on projects that failed due to misalignment with real-world conditions. Consider instances where initial plans did not accurately reflect reality. Analyze the discrepancies between planned actions and actual outcomes. Identify the key factors that contributed to the project's deviation. Explore resources for insights on effective real-world project planning.